Yo, what is going on? This is Andrew, known as Zero Draw Drew, Pip Catcher Administration. Welcome back to another video. It is a new day, new week. It is Monday, October 4th, 2021. We're here with another live call. So, if we look over here on the weekly, we are bearish on the week, right? So, we are bearish on the long term on the week because we have this crown pattern. We took out this wick over here. That wick resistance is at 16050, right? That's where we're kind of at right now. So we're kind of pulling back to that previous wick level on the weekly, right? So last week, later in the week, we pulled back from this level right here. We were getting a little retest to that 1.35720 key level. Looks like we came into value a little bit for some reason today. I think we're going to get like a doji star candle right here, and then we're going to start getting seller momentum starting tomorrow. But first, I think all buyer liquidity is being grabbed, right? So when I look at the hourly chart, right, we never took out these lows. You know, all seller liquidity was never really grabbed, but we did get this impulse to the north, right? So as I'm looking at this chart, we are looking at this trend line right here, not this top trend line, this trend line right here. All buyer liquidity is above that trend line. It also is above this key resistance at 1.36150, right? So I think we're going to, get above that level today, right? So I do think that we are going to trap bears first, before we get that push to that 1.36160 key level. So depending on what happens in the next 10 to 20 minutes is where we're going to make our decision, right? So like I said, all the buyer liquidity is above that level, so I do want to trade towards that level overall. All the seller liquidity is down here. We did get impulse waves. If you do look within this trend, we are sort of starting to form like a crown-like pattern. Doesn't mean we have to drop to those lows. Like I said, we can get a pull. We could get a push up. We could come back into value. Then we could trap bears again. But overall, we do want to trade towards that 1.36160 key level, even above to these trend lines right here. Because overall, I do think we are going to push up to that trend line. I think we're going to trap buyers above this level, and then that's where we'll start to get the sell-off later in the week, right? So it's still a little early before we make any decision. It's 8:50. We'll come back at 9 for more data, 9:15, and then we'll be able to make a decision based on that. So we'll see you then. Let's go. As you can see, we dropped below this level right here. I'm looking for a bear trap right here. When we start to get those wicks and we get a bear trap, once confirmation sets up, say if this gets taken out, we'll take the buy up to that level like we wanted before. We're not going to jump any trades until it's confirmed, because there still is more downside on the 15-minute chart and on the 30-minute chart, so we need to wait for price to confirm. Maybe a 5-minute bear trap to this little level right here, 1.35950. I'm going to see the price drop, exhaust sellers, and then come back. Let's see. We'll be back in about 10 minutes. It's 9:20 right now. We'll see you then. Let's go. All right, guys. We're smashing this buy right now. Our target is up here. Our target is up here. Our stop is below here. What's poppin'? Brand new whip just hopping. I got options. That bitch starts talking. Let's go. Let's go. We'll be back when this thing hits. Let's get it. Alright, guys, we're securing this position right now. We're about 15 pips in profit. Pretty good trade. I think we're still going to run up past 150. So we'll be back in a few minutes when this thing sets up. Maybe we'll get a bull trap above this level. That's where all buyers' liquidity is. But I feel like we're going to continue to push to that level. So we'll see in a bit. Let's go. Alright, guys. We are re-entering this position right now. I got a little trap back to that 110 level. I'm going to keep holding it past this 160 resistance. I think we're going to continue to push up. We took 1/3 of the profit from the original trade. So we're not going to lose today. it's going to be a good day. I think we want to continue holding above that 160, even push past this level. So we'll see you guys in 15-20 minutes. We'll see how this shit plays out. I hit the liquidity level right there. Day is done. So we'll be back tomorrow, and we're just going to take what we got and come back tomorrow. Let's get it. Sheesh. Oh, if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button. Also smash that subscribe button. It will motivate us to continue putting out these videos every fucking day, baby. Let's go. Let's get to 50 subscribers. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.